Now, another key of learning doctrine is to have an open mind. Open. Humility is the key to teachability. Arrogant people cannot be teachable. Only humble people. So you have to respect the authority of the pastor teacher. God, the Holy Spirit, is the one who gave him the spiritual gift of pastor teacher. Not everybody has that spiritual gift. The pastor teacher's authority comes from the supreme authority, God himself. So he, the pastor teacher, has no room to be arrogant and proud of the gift he has received from God. This Bible study is a worship. Why is it so? It is a worship because it is in this Bible study that we give God and his word worth.